Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, the home for all true motorcycle enthusiasts who appreciate the perfect blend of performance, style, and heritage. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated neo-retro machines of the year, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS SE. Kawasaki has been steadily perfecting the Z900 RS line over the years, paying homage to the legendary Z1 of the 1970s, while adding cutting-edge technology and high-performance parts. The SE variant has always stood as the premium, performance-focused version of the RS, and for 2026, Kawasaki has given it an exciting evolution that blends nostalgia with modern aggression like never before. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Z900 RS SE, you know this isn't just another retro-inspired bike, it's a work of art sculpted for riders who crave emotion as much as they crave speed. The iconic teardrop fuel tank is back, now finished in deep metallic paint schemes that shimmer with gold pinstripes, paying homage to Kawasaki's heritage. The round LED headlamp is encased in a modern housing but retains that unmistakable vintage look, while the sculpted side panels, ducktail rear cowl, and long flat saddle immediately transport you back to the golden era of superbikes. Yet, look closer, and you'll see the modern design details: a full-color TFT display, neatly tucked electronics, and performance-oriented chassis components that tell you this is a very modern machine hiding behind a classic silhouette. The heart of the Z900 RS SE is its muscular 948 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, a power plant that delivers a perfect balance of raw excitement and usable performance. For 2026, Kawasaki has fine-tuned the fuel mapping and intake system for even crisper throttle response and smoother torque delivery. It pumps out a claimed 113 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and around 98 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. This engine is all about flexibility, torquey enough to cruise lazily through city streets and higher gears, yet eager to scream towards the red line when the open road calls. The exhaust note has also been subtly retuned, delivering a deep and throaty growl that brings out the bike's classic character, while still meeting modern emissions standards. What sets the SE model apart from the standard Z900 RS is its elevated chassis package. Kawasaki has fitted the 2026 SE with top-shelf Öhlins S46 rear suspension that offers fully adjustable damping and preload, allowing riders to tailor their ride for everything from spirited canyon carving to long-distance touring comfort. Up front, you get a set of fully adjustable 41mm inverted forks with revised internals for better front-end feel and stability. This combination delivers a remarkably composed ride. Supple enough to soak up city potholes, yet firm and confidence-inspiring when you push hard on twisty roads. It's a suspension setup that elevates the Z900 RS SE into genuine sport bike territory while retaining its everyday usability. Braking performance is equally impressive thanks to the Brembo M4.32 monoblock calipers biting down on dual 300mm discs up front, paired with a radial pump master cylinder for precise lever feel. The rear gets a single 250mm disc with a dual piston caliper. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the ABS system for smoother intervention, giving riders a more natural and progressive braking response. The SE rides on lightweight 17-inch cast wheels wrapped in sticky sport tires, further enhancing its handling prowess and grip. Add to that the well-balanced chassis geometry and an upright, natural riding position, and you've got a machine that inspires confidence from the moment you swing a leg over it. Technology-wise, the 2026 Z900 RS SE gets the latest suite of rider aids from Kawasaki's electronics arsenal. Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, offers 3 levels of intervention plus an off mode, allowing you to fine-tune grip depending on conditions. There's also an assist and slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, as well as an optional quickshifter on the accessories list. The bike features a new 4.3-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity through Kawasaki's Radiology app, giving you access to call notifications, ride logs, and maintenance reminders. Cruise control now comes standard on the SE model, making highway rides more relaxed. While the RS keeps its retro look intact, it's loaded with the kind of tech that makes modern riding safer and more convenient. In terms of ergonomics, the Z900 RS SE strikes a sweet balance. The wide handlebar, mid-mounted foot pegs, and plush seat create an upright and neutral riding posture that works equally well for spirited sport riding and long-haul comfort. The seat height is a manageable 835mm, and Kawasaki has slightly reshaped the saddle foam for 2026 for better support on longer rides. At around 215 kilograms wet, the bike feels planted on the road but never cumbersome, thanks to its balanced weight distribution and nimble chassis geometry. One of the standout design touches on the 2026 model is its stunning paintwork. Kawasaki has brought back the legendary Fireball-inspired livery, a deep metallic red with gold striping that harkens back to the original Z1 of the 1970s, alongside a sleek dark emerald green option for riders who prefer something more understated. The polished stainless steel fenders, gold-finished fork legs, and machined highlights on the wheels all add to the SE's premium appeal. It's the kind of bike that turns heads wherever you go, whether you're parked at a cafe or screaming through mountain twisties. Kawasaki has priced the 2026 Z900 RS SE competitively for its class and premium features. While exact regional prices will vary, expect it to retail around the equivalent of $14,500, positioning it as a top-tier retro roadster but still within reach of riders seeking something special without venturing into exotic bike price territory. Given its high-spec components, timeless design, and everyday practicality, that price represents solid value. What really makes the Z900 RS SE special, though, is the way it connects with the rider emotionally. This isn't a sterile, over-digitized machine, it's a motorcycle with soul. It gives you the feel, the sound, and the visceral connection of a classic bike, while offering the safety, reliability, and performance of a thoroughly modern platform. It's a machine that speaks to riders who grew up dreaming of the original Z1, as well as younger riders who want something with heritage and presence that still rips up the backroads with modern speed. Few bikes can make you smile just by looking at them, and even fewer can make that smile wider every time you ride them. The Z900 RS SE does both effortlessly. So, after spending time with the 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS SE, it's clear that Kawasaki has nailed the formula yet again. They've honored their past while embracing the future, giving us a bike that looks like a classic but rides like a state-of-the-art machine. It's fast, comfortable, stylish, and brimming with character. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads, cruising down scenic highways, or just admiring it in your garage with a cup of coffee, the Z900 RS SE delivers a riding experience that's as rewarding as it is timeless. So, after spending time with the 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS SE, it's clear that Kawasaki has nailed the formula yet again. They've honored their past while embracing the future, giving us a bike that looks like a classic but rides like a state-of-the-art machine. It's fast, comfortable, stylish, and brimming with character. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads, cruising down scenic highways, or just admiring it in your garage with a cup of coffee, the Z900 RS SE delivers a riding experience that's as rewarding as it is timeless. If you're looking for a motorcycle that blends retro style with modern performance, the Z900 RS SE deserves to be at the top of your shortlist. It's more than just a bike, it's a statement, a tribute to Kawasaki's legacy, and a machine built to stir the soul. That's all for today's deep dive here at Bike Culture Hub. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another two-wheeled masterpiece. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.